Hey, you know what it is? Yo, take two, God. My nigga Keisho. Hey, my nigga Free. About to give you this.
Hey guys, this is Kisho. I'm from Japan. And
Hello, I'm Isaac and I'm from America.
alright, so today we are going to react to LiSA. Right, this is the official theme song of the Kimetsu no Yaiba Mugen Resha. The movie is like pretty fresh. Yeah, I'm going to watch it like tomorrow, I think.
I heard it was very crowded.
Oh, I know.
Sold out the first day or something.
Like
So I watched 3 episodes.
got too busy to watch.
And yeah, I just kind of
okay.
got busy and didn't keep watching it. It was interesting. I think I would like it if I keep watching, but the first 3 episodes I was like, it's like every shonen anime.
Yeah, like typical. Like,
Yeah, it's just like they rushed through the first part. It felt like they were trying to set the story really fast so that they could move on. And I didn't get to the next part. And I think the next part will be fun. But maybe someday soon I'll get to try again, watch more.
Yeah, you should. Yeah. Alright, so let's get started. Beach.
Nice. On the ocean. I miss the ocean.
I know, right? Corona.
Yeah.
So you know her, LiSA.
Yeah.
do you know?
I did watch Sword Art Online, and she did at least one of the opening songs.
Oh, that's why. So you know how her voice is.
Yeah. She has a nice voice, definitely.
I know, right?
It's pretty good. That's what she's doing now, is singing. Super nice.
Yeah, it's too bad they don't got subtitles, English subtitles.
Yeah. That's cool. It does the slow intro into the dun, dun, kind of rising. Yeah. Yeah, she's got a really good voice. And goes super well with the music too.
What kind of genre is it? Like pop?
Yeah, I guess I would call it pop. And it is... It definitely is more of a like Japanese pop style than like American pop, because it's the way that it's like it makes sense she's on the ocean, because the song kind of goes in like waves, right?
Yeah.
And it is like an anime, like Demon Slayer or something, where it starts out with the slow thing and the rising action. It's always you know, into the climax. The character has to grow, right? That's cool. I like the chords that she used, like the notes, the way that it changed. I wasn't expecting it to go the way it did. I was not expecting this either.
Yeah, same.
But that's so cool though. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like feeling.
Definitely. So she gets to flex her voice a little bit.
It's interesting. She's just staying on the same spot.
Yeah.
All the time.
The music video is definitely meant to focus, I think, on the feeling of the song and her feeling, maybe, because it's all just shots of her, either close up, medium shots, or a little bit of a longer shot.
It's the
So you really get to see her expression and the way that her body language is going with the music. She's really getting into it.
Yeah, she's really good expressing her feeling. Doing it too. You find her hot? Do you? Cute?
Yeah, no, she is cute. She's really cute. For sure. Good style, yeah.
Yeah.
It's really interesting. The song moves so much throughout the whole time. Oh. Post-credit scene. No. No, it's just the ocean.
Sounds great.
She's like, what did I just do?
How was it? Yeah.
It was good. Like I said, there's so much going on in the song. From the start to the end, it moves a lot, which keeps it really interesting, and it feels like a story arc, like an anime or something like that, you know. Slow in the beginning, climaxes, drops, and they did interesting things with the music too. We talked about, we didn't expect it maybe when she went up into the solo like singing is really emotional part, but also the breakdown into some chords, the notes that they changed. Like it went down when I thought it was going to go up, or they used a note that was like, wait a second, I didn't think that they would do that, but it still is like kimochi. Feels good, right? Very well constructed song.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn the notifications, and like and comment. And please follow our social media, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, Facebook, like SoundCloud. Alright, so see you. またね。
Bye bye.
はい、今回ご視聴ありがとうございました。YouTube のチャンネル登録と、僕のニューヨークでの生活を載せている SNS、フォローぜひお願いします。それではまた次回の動画でお会いしましょう。バイ。